Yeah, so guys, I don't know if you guys can hear me, but at the same time, I couldn't make a proper intro video this morning because it was quite too early. I left home around 5:30 a.m. and I couldn't even make a proper intro video. So, hi guys, good morning and welcome to my channel. If this is the first time you've seen this beautiful face, even though I'm wearing a nose mask, to make it last by clicking on the subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up. And if it's not, hello, hi, welcome, how are you? So, actually wanted a train going to Ilorin, but I couldn't get that because obviously there was no train going to Ilorin, so I had to like board the one going to Ibadan. So I'm currently boarded the one going to Ibadan, and I have my ticket with me. I actually have a friend we are supposed to get, but she's a little bit late, and I just hope we don't leave her behind because I feel gingered for the fact that we're supposed to go together. That was what made me have this other thing. Okay, let me just take the train. I was supposed to take the train when I was coming back from Ilorin. That was around October, but I couldn't as well. Why? Because I was the only one. I wanted it to be like a friendly journey with me and my friends or something. But no, it's quite, I don't know, it's somehow, because at the end of the day, I feel like I'm not alone. So guys, I hope you guys enjoy this vlog and share, like, comment. Let me know what you think about this vlog. I love my hair. I'm like
sitting in silence, we still feel the vibe, and you could not say a word, and I know what you just decided. We'd be right in the same wave. All the water's perfect, babe. The heat is rising, the time is melting from my fingertips. So nothing compares to this. Nothing ever will compare to this. You and I making fire, I can take ya. I can make it better, baby. Running away every day, feeling the same in a different way. You and I making fire, I can take ya. I can make it better, baby. Running away every day, feeling the same in a different way.
This Ibadan standard class.
So basically, we have the basic, the standard class, the VIP class, and the VVIP class. So your girl went for the standard class, which was 2,600. The VIP class is higher than the standard class, and the VVIP as well is higher than the standard and the VIP class. So once you get there, you're on the queue to pay for our trip, and then we'll be given a card. So after collecting the card, this is the card, and there's a number at the back here which signify the train number and the seat number. So you fill your details, your phone number, and something, just like the way they do at bus stations and all of that. So here, the card was checked and we went in.
I can make it better, baby. Running away every day, feeling the same in a different way. What do you think of it, baby? You and I making fire, I can take. I've been dreaming about you. Wish I knew what you were up to. Wish I can hit you up just to say I'ma set up a TV.
So after the card was checked, we were all expected to head straight to the waiting room, and we waited for like some minutes before, I think 10 to 15 minutes towards the time the train was to move, and an announcement was made for every passenger going to Ibadan to head down to where the train was parked. Like I said, you have to go into the train number that was designated to you. So as you can see on my card, there is the train number and the seat number. So my train number is C5 and my seat number is 15. Did I share the train number here? Or did you get to see the seat number in the next video?
Nothing compares to this. Nothing ever will compare to this. You and I making fire, I can take ya. I can make it better, baby. Running away every day, feeling the same in a different way.
So this is what the train looks like. As you can see, like, it's so convenient. The train is so convenient. There's a charging spot for you to like charge your phone, charge your device, whatever. So this is my seat number that I was going to show you. Seat number 15. Yeah.
Station at Alagomeji, Lagos, and it's taking us to Obafemi Awolowo Station at Moniya, Ibadan. Our first stop is at BABATUNDE FASHOLA Station, Agege. This would enable some passengers to board the train. If you are not traveling with this train and you are still on board, kindly make your exits. If you are not traveling with this train and you are still on board, kindly make your exits. To avoid further spread of COVID-19, it is compulsory that all passengers on board wear their nose masks throughout the journey. All passengers are to sit on their allocated seats only. Moving around the cabin is not allowed except to use the convenience which is located at the rear of each coach. For waste disposal, kindly use the waste bin located at the rear of each coach. Please be informed that we have a nurse on board to attend to medical issues. For any assistance regarding the use of our facilities, kindly approach any of our officials on board. Please sit back and enjoy your trip. Thank you for choosing Nigerian Railways. Luggage above 25 kg, combustible materials, perishable or stable items, live or dead animals, harmed or sharp objects, pornographic materials, bicycles or motorcycles, smoking or alcohol consumption, talking or preaching.
I've been waiting for the longest time. I've been trying. Can't shake this feeling I've been holding on to. I've been trying. And I notice you've been pacing like I do when I'm removed from my own mind. Baby, what am I like? And I wonder if you're feeling opportunity.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are now at BABATUNDE FASHOLA Station, Agege. Thank you. LADOKE ABEOKUTA. Please be reminded that smoking or drinking of alcohol is not allowed on board. To avoid further spread of COVID-19, it is compulsory.
Sitting in silence, we can still feel the vibe, and you could not say a word, and I know it. You just decided we'd be right in the same wave. Oh, water's perfect, babe.
And now at LADOKE AKINTOLA Station on Nadio. Passengers alighting at LADOKE AKINTOLA Station on Nadio should remember to take their luggage with them when exiting. You can make your exit through coaches 2, 4, and 8. Please mind your step as you disembark the train. Thank you for choosing Nigerian Railways. We look forward to serving you again.
Feeling the same in a different way. You and I making fire, I can take ya. I can make it better, baby. Running away every day, feeling the same in a different way. Love is an island, a never-ending vacation. I've been feeling selfish, I never want you to share it. We be riding the same wave. Oh, the water's perfect, babe. The heat is rising, the time is melting from my fingertips. How come, baby, kiss my lips? Nothing ever.
Hey my love, so let me give you guys a quick review on my experience that's from Lagos to Ibadan using the train. First and foremost, the train was freaking slow. Oh my god, it was freaking slow. But the good side of it is that 2 hours is 2 hours. Doesn't feel like we are 2 minutes late. No, 2 hours is 2 hours. Like, do you get? Another thing is there's no African time, my dear. As a matter of fact, my friend that we were supposed to go together, she came there around 8:05, but the train already left, so there's no African time. That's another thing. And again, I don't want to do this again because I had to, like, I was thinking if I should take Lagos to Ibadan train. Once I get to Ibadan, I'll just get direct, probably a cab or a bike to where Ilorin Park is, and from there I go to Ilorin. But I had to, like, take a cab to another place, then take a bike to where the bus is, and the cabman didn't even, like, probably because they got to know that I'm not familiar with Ibadan, they now drop me at a junction that they are not even supposed to drop me. Can you imagine how wicked these Ibadan people are? Sorry, not everybody, but can you imagine how wicked this cabman is? So I don't think I want to do that again because it actually cost me more. But if I am to go to Ibadan from Lagos, man, I am so down for the train. Honestly, the train is so convenient. Oh my god, it's so freaking convenient. And that is that. What else do I want to say? I think that's all. Just a quick review, you know. So see you guys in my next video. Bye.